CES 2018 Dell announces new XPS 15. Dell has announced its new XPS 15 at CES 2018 in Las Vegas on Tuesday, with a 2-1 priced from $1,299.99 and available as of spring in the Northern Hemisphere. Frank Azor, VP and GM of XPS, Alienware, and Dell Gaming, called it the most powerful 2-1 ever produced thanks to a partnership between Intel and AMD. Intel and AMD partnered together on creating a brand new chip that took the best of their CPU silicon and the best of their Vega mobile graphics, and combined it into one chip, as Azor explained. What that allowed us to do is give you the horsepower that those two pieces of silicon have to offer in a much smaller form factor than would otherwise be possible if those two pieces of silicon were separated from one another. That's allowing us to give you a 15-inch 2-1 that's about 16 mm thick and delivers remarkable performance. The XPS 15, 9575, is powered by a choice between an 8th generation Intel quad-core i5 or i7 processor, which features Radeon RX Vega MGL graphics with 4 GB of HBM2 RAM, runs Microsoft Windows 10, and has a 3200 by 1815.6-inch ultra-sharp 4K Ultra HD Infinity Edge touch display. The new Dell XPS 15 it also comes kitted out with a 75 Wh battery with 15 hours of battery life, edge-to-edge Corning Gorilla Glass 4, 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports, 2 USB-C 3.1 ports, and a microSD card reader, an optional Windows Hello compliant fingerprint reader and the power button, 802.11 acres wireless with optional vPro functionality, and Bluetooth 4.1. as well as Miracast capability, 8 GB to 16 GB dual-channel DDR4 at 2400 MHz on board and 32 GB post-RTS, and Gore thermal insulation to improve performance by moving heat out of the device to keep temperatures down. Storage options include 128 GB SATA, 256 GB PKI, 512 GB PKI, or 1 TB PKI SSD. While docking options include the 130-watt Dell dock or the 180-watt Dell Thunderbolt dock. It comes with gyroscope, e-compass, magnetometer, and accelerometer, FFS sensors. See also, CES 2018 special coverage. Connect the XPS 15 is available in the same platinum silver aluminum with black carbon fiber composite palm rest as the previous model, with Azor telling ZDNet that the plan is to gauge consumer interest in a white finish before it extends the use of the white crystalline material it helped invent for the new XPS 13 to the XPS 15. We may introduce new colors in the future, depending on what our customers would like to see from us. If white is in demand, we will absolutely consider it, he told ZDNet. The XPS 15 comes with a magnetic maglev keyboard, as well as being compatible with the newly announced Dell Premium Active Pen, which magnetically attaches to the 2-1. We'll also be using a brand new maglev keyboard, which is a completely different keyboard construction. It uses magnets to give you the responsiveness that you've come to expect from the best notebook keyboards, as Azor told media. The new Dell XPS 15 The Dell Premium Active Pen will be priced at $99.99 and become available on April 6 in the US and June 12 globally. The Dell Premium Active Pen was created with 4096 pressure sensitivity for fine control to create strokes of varying lightness or darkness and low latency or lag for a more natural writing experience, Dell explained. Tilt support allows for more detailed shading when you draw. The top button instantly launches OneNote, captures a screenshot, or activates Cortana. 2 barrel buttons efficiently erase or launch the context menu, and the quick launch button allows you to quickly and conveniently take notes by writing on the locked screen. Dell also used CES to announce 2 new Thunderbolt 3 storage devices, one with 500 GB capacity that will sell for $439, and one with 1 TB capacity for $799, which will both become available on February 28. Thunderbolt 3 technology supports bandwidth of 40 Gbps, with Dell citing transfer speeds of up to 2,650 Mbps. Dell also spruiked its new 24-inch ultra-thin monitor for $299.99 and 27-inch ultra-thin monitor for $499.99, which will become available on January 30th, as well as its Alienware Command Center software, along with a new Inspiron VR gaming desktop PC. The new Inspiron, available as of January 9th, includes support for all premium virtual reality (VR) headsets on the market for $799, or $749 for those who don't want a VR configuration. It includes a choice of Intel's 8th generation Core i3, i5, or i7 processors, 8 GB or 16 GB of DDR4 memory at 2400 MHz, with 64 GB of additional memory sold separately, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 with 2 GB GDDR5, 1060 with 3 GB GDDR5, or 1070 with 8 GB GDDR5 graphics, and a Micro ATX motherboard or Intel Z370 Express chipset. Lastly, Dell announced its Mobile Connect product, which will provide wireless point-to-point smartphone PC integration for calls, texts, notifications, and mirrored screens, which comes factory installed on XPS, Alienware, Inspiron, and Vostro PCs as of January. CES 2018, trends to expect. The big consumer electronics show kicks off on January 7th in Las Vegas. Here's a rundown of trends to watch for at CES 2018. CES 2018 special coverage, connect the latest news from the 2018 Consumer Electronics Show. CES 2018, new Intel Core processor adds Radeon RX Vega M graphics. Intel has combined 4 GB of high-bandwidth memory Gen 2 with AMD's Radeon RX Vega M graphics on its 8th generation Core processor, available in Core i5 and i7 configurations. Dell unveils new XPS 13 ahead of CES. Dell's new XPS 13 packs an Intel Core i5 or i7 processor, Intel UHD graphics, and an ultra-sharp 4K Ultra HD Infinity Edge touch display with fingerprint recognition, and is backed up by 19 hours of battery life. CES 2018, Dell upgrades Latitude notebooks, begins making motherboards from Goldie Waste. Dell's new Latitude 7490 uses an active staring antenna to improve Wi-Fi performance by 155%, while its Latitude 5285 notebooks will begin shipping with motherboards made from Goldie Waste as of March. Samsung to reveal QLED monitor with Thunderbolt 3 at CES. The 34-inch curved monitor, CJ791. Comes with a Thunderbolt 3 cable that moves data at speeds 4 times faster than USB alternatives. CES 2018, the products and companies to watch. Tech Republic. While much of the CES crowd fixates on big TVs and connected cars, we'll have the stories about AI, data, and 5G that will impact the future of business. CES 2018, could laptops be the surprise show stealer? Tech Republic. PCs have long been on the back burner at CES, but ARM-powered laptops could make them the surprise hit of the show this year because of